I've already accepted it. Somewhere between the leaks, the teasers, and Samsung's timelines, I've mentally pre-ordered the delay. 2 months minimum. But jokes aside, Galaxy Unpacked season is officially back, and Samsung has quietly started turning the hype dial again. The actual event invite hasn't dropped yet, but all signs point to it landing very soon, possibly early next week. And right on cue, Samsung has launched a fresh Unpacked campaign, slipped out another teaser, and accidentally confirmed more than they probably meant to. Let's start with the weirdest giveaway of all, Samsung Golf. Yes, really. They've launched a reward-based campaign tied directly to Galaxy Unpacked, and buried inside the terms and conditions is a pretty clear launch window for the Galaxy S26 series. The teaser video itself stays vague, but the campaign page does not. The promotion kicked off on February 20th and runs until April 10th, and it's split into phases labeled before, during, and after Galaxy Unpacked. That timeline alone tells us a lot. To enter, Samsung is literally encouraging people to comment, again and again, using the Galaxy Unpacked hashtag. The prizes? A Galaxy S25 FE or the Galaxy Watch 8. And the question they want answered is hilariously open-ended. What do you think will happen during Galaxy Unpacked? Which is basically Samsung saying, please speculate for us. At the same time, Samsung has dropped another official teaser, and this one is much more interesting. It gives us a closer look at the Galaxy S26 Ultra's front design. We're talking ultra-thin, perfectly symmetrical bezels, slightly more rounded corners, and a clearer view of the selfie camera cutout. The teaser leans heavily into privacy, highlighting Samsung's privacy display tech, but if you pause and look closely, the real story is the design polish. The front camera cutout is noticeably larger than on the S25 Ultra, and that's probably not an accident. With Apple expected to push harder on group selfies with the iPhone 17, Samsung looks like it's responding by widening the field of view. Bigger cutout, more light, more people in frame. It's a subtle change, but a very intentional one. Then there's the leak that really seals it. Evan Blass has shared a full 360-degree render of the Galaxy S26 Ultra. Completely clean, no watermark, no obstructions. This is the clearest look we've had so far, and it confirms a lot. The corners are more rounded than last year, the bezels are slimmer, and the display feels like it stretches even closer to the edges. It still looks unmistakably like an Ultra, but refined in a way that makes the S25 Ultra feel slightly sharper and more industrial by comparison. Flip it around and the back design also gets a shakeup. There's now a proper camera island housing 3 main cameras: ultra-wide, primary sensor, and periscope zoom. Sitting outside that island are 2 additional rings, one for the time-of-flight sensor and another for a telephoto module. And yes, the Saturn-style camera rings are gone. Samsung has finally moved on. But the real controversy this year isn't about the phone, it's about the accessories. A new leak from Roland Quant shows official press images of Samsung's upcoming 25-watt magnetic wireless charger. These images come straight from Samsung's own press materials and store listings, and there's no ambiguity here. The box literally says Qi 25-watt magnetic charger. The design is clean, circular, minimal, and let's be honest, extremely Apple-coded. USB-C on the back, magnet pad on the front, nothing extra. Here's the catch though. According to Samsung's own documentation, only the Galaxy S26 Ultra will support the full 25-watt wireless charging speed. And things get even more interesting when you look at leaked official cases for the Galaxy S26 and S26 Ultra. Retail listings show 2 versions, one with a magnetic ring and one without it. That tiny detail tells us something big. It strongly suggests that the Galaxy S26 phones themselves don't have built-in magnets. In other words, if you want proper magnetic charging, alignment, and accessories, you'll need a case to make it happen. Samsung is pushing magnetic charging forward, but only halfway and only cleanly on the Ultra. So here we are. Teasers are rolling out, leaks are lining up, timelines are slipping through the cracks, and Samsung is doing that thing where it pretends nothing is confirmed while confirming almost everything. Galaxy Unpacked is coming. The S26 Ultra is shaping up to be cleaner, softer, and more refined. And whether Samsung actually sticks the landing this time, Well, that's the part we're all still pre-ordering mentally.